CSCO stock analysis and Cisco stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly where I'm looking to take Cisco, whether I'm buying, what I'm not, how I'm looking to trade this. Because being the guy, as the only guy in this page that has done 40,000 videos and actually documented them all for 5 years, I've seen what's working and what's not. I mean, also I've had just a lot of receipts in my... Why the heck does this not show? What the hell? My most recent prediction was right here, but I was looking to take it up. That's odd. But yeah, we just kind of kept taking the highs out. In this particular instance, I'm just hoping for a little correction. Right? I'm just hoping for a little correction. And if that does not quite happen, then why the heck would I look too long? I simply will not. So we'll continue to keep you updated. If there's no pull downs, there is no buying from my side. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with our indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. We'll continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.